Importance of staffing. What is staffing? Staffing means putting the people to jobs or finding the right people for the right job. And why it is important? In any organization, there is a need for people to perform the work. As we know that an organization can't achieve its objective without the hardworking and talented people, and they are the foundation of the organization, base of the organization. So organization can't achieve its objective without the employees. Every organization needs employees or people to perform work. And the staffing function of management fulfills this requirement and find the right people for the right job. Basically, staffing fills the position as shown in the organization structure. As job positions are created in the organization structure, and accordingly, the staffing function fills the position. Human resources are the foundation of any business. They are the base of any business, and the right people can help take your business to the top, and the wrong people can break your business. If the employees are not talented, they are not hardworking and are not skilled, they can break your business. Hence, staffing is the most fundamental and basic and the critical for or organizational performance. And human resources are the most important asset of an organization, and the ability of organization to achieve its goal depends upon the quality of its human resources. And therefore staffing is very important managerial function, and no organization can be successful unless it can fill and keep filled the various positions provided in the structure with the right kind of people. It means right kind of people we need, कि हमें एक तरह से right place पर right time पे right kind of people are required so that the organization can achieve its objective. And there are some benefits of staffing to the organization. It helps in discovering and obtaining the competent persons for various jobs. Through staffing, we can find right person for the right job. In second one, by putting right person on the right job, on the right place, it makes for higher performance. अगर हमने एक राइट पर्सन को राइट प्लेस पर पोजीशन नहीं किया अकॉर्डिंग टू हिज और हर क्वालिफिकेशन और स्किल्स, तो ही कांट परफॉर्म बेटर, ही कांट परफॉर्म वेल, एंड परफॉर्मेंस बेटर नहीं होगी. अगर हम एक राइट पर्सन को उसकी अकॉर्डिंगली क्वालिफिकेशन के अकॉर्डिंगली उसको प्लेस करेंगे तो ही कैन परफॉर्म बेटर, वो बेटर परफॉर्म कर सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ए पर्सन इज M.Tech एंड उसको हमने प्रोडक्शन की जगह सेल्स डिपार्टमेंट में किया, बट इन सेल्स डिपार्टमेंट तो हमें एक MBA पर्सन चाहिए जो मार्केटिंग में एक्सपर्ट हो, तो उसकी हमने उस राइट पर्सन को मतलब कि राइट प्लेस नहीं दिया, राइट जॉब पर नहीं किया, तो उसकी परफॉर्मेंस हाई नहीं हो सकती. तो इट इज फॉर हायर परफॉर्मेंस इट इज एसेंशियल दैट पुटिंग द राइट पर्सन ऑन द राइट जॉब अकॉर्डिंग टू हिज और हर क्वालिफिकेशन और स्किल्स के अकॉर्डिंगली हमें उसे जॉब पर प्लेस करना है. एंड थर्ड वन इज it ensures the continuous survival and growth of the enterprise through the succession planning of managers. Now, what is this succession planning? Succession planning is a process where we identify and develop new managers who can replace the old managers when they leave or retire or die. सो दैट की ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो है कंटिन्यूस चले, सर्वाइव करे और ग्रो करे. ऐसा ना हो इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ मैनेजर्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो है ग्रो ना करे या सर्वाइव ना करे, उसे हमें बंद करना पड़े, क्लोज डाउन करना पड़े. दैट्स वाई हम यहाँ पर क्या करते हैं, आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं और डेवलप करते हैं न्यू मैनेजर्स, सो दैट दे कैन रिप्लेस द old managers when they leave, retire or die, so that the organization will continue. And next point is, it helps to ensure optimum utilization of the human resources, means maximum utilization. There will be no wastage of human resources. How it can helps in the optimum utilization? By avoid overmanning. Overmanning means if employees हमारे पास ज्यादा हैं तो उससे क्या होगा, अंडर यूटिलाइजेशन होगी एंड हाई लेबर कोस्ट होगी. तो स्टाफिंग हेल्प्स अस टू अवॉइड द ओवरमैनिंग. एट द सेम टाइम it avoids disruption of the work by indicating in advance the shortage of persons. There is any shortage, it can indicate us, tell us in advance that this type of person and his qualification ki or this number of persons are required. So there is a optimum maximum utilization of human resources. And last one is, it improves job satisfaction and morale. Morale means motivation of employees through the objective assessment. We can evaluate the performance of the employees, and according to their performance, fair reward will be given to them. So this improves the job satisfaction and they feel encouraged and improve their performance. And staffing function must be performed efficiently by all the organizations. If right kind of employees are not available, it will lead to wastage of material. Right kind means with the right qualifications. If employees are not properly trained and their qualification जो हमें required थी accordingly नहीं है, तो it will result into wastage of material, time, effort and energy, and lower productivity. Production भी low होगा because they are not well qualified and well trained, and poor quality of products, and the enterprise will not able to sell its product profitably. It is therefore essential that right kind of people must be available in the right number at the right time. Right kind of people must be available with the right qualification in the right number at the right time, so that the organization can achieve its objective efficiently and effectively without the wastage of resources. And they should be given adequate training so that the wastage is minimum, and they must also be encouraged to show higher productivity and quality by offering them proper incentives. जो भी उनकी सैलरी या वेजेस हैं, objectively assessment of their work, उनको हमें induce करना है, motivate करना है, encourage करना है, so that they show higher productivity and better quality.